Hey guys, I'm Shawn Weathers here at Brown Dog Wood Company in Charlotte, North Carolina. You know, early on I had a strong appreciation for furniture and furniture design, and drawing on my mom and dad's skills and experiences, I knew I could create something special. Brown Dog's here to reintroduce that casual side of living by creating a rustic southern furniture style that's usable for everyday life and not just for looks. You know, people want quality furniture without the high budget. And that's what we're doing here at Brown Dog, by combining old wood and new to give them something affordable and never compromising the quality. One of my favorite things we're doing here is rescuing furniture that people have given up on. You know, with a little love and attention, rescued furniture can last a whole nother lifetime. And if you come in and see the quality of the furniture we create, you'll understand the passion behind what we do. And trust me, we put our heart and soul into every piece. So I encourage you guys to look us up and see what we're all about. Thanks for spending time with me. I plan to do more videos, so stay tuned.